risk of chijuan. So a dedicated hand-stitched steering wheel cover for it. When installing, start from directly below, leg pressing against this steering wheel cover. Begin installation upwards. Then adjust the left and right widths of the wheel. This is called positioning. The back panel edge tucking is very simple. Along the edge of the leather, use the matching small tool. Tuck the edge in bit by bit. Before tucking the edge, you can fix it inside with double-sided tape. Cleaning later is very simple. Just wipe with a damp towel. After setting the position, start stuffing the edge from the corner. Leather slightly reversed. Use the matching small tool. Along the edge of the leather, stuff the edge in. The edges of the stuffing have been skived and thinned. Very thin. Will not affect the use of the multifunction button. This has a little bit. That one is fine. Back corner. Poor network. Poor network. Now the edges are stuffed. Take a look at the effect of the stuffed edges. Continue here. The corner edges must also be stuffed properly. This small tool, we include it when shipping. The effect of tucking in the edges. When stuffing the edges directly below, the leather is slightly reversed. Use the matching small tool along the edge of the leather to operate. You can stick double-sided tape inside to fix it, or you cannot stick it. Both are fine. Cleaning later is very simple. Just wipe with a damp towel. The effect of stuffing the edge well. Start stuffing this side. What is this white thing? Fur? What fuzz? On the hand. You have fuzz on your hand. Is it that thing that wraps around the hand? Clean it up. Look, my hand is all sweat. It absorbs sweat quite well. In a moment it will be gone. See, all dry now. The effect of stuffing the edge well. Take a look. Directly below, when tucking in the back edge, there is a gap underneath. Just along the small edge below the gap. Use a small tool. Like this. Scrape one by one. What is this called? Then it's done. You can't see that side. Take a look here in a moment. Haven't looked yet. All packed. It's quite simple. This steering wheel is also a bit thin on the original car, so we stitched a strip for it. The feel is more comfortable. The stitching effect. Look at the wheel width position and the stitching directly below. Here is the bulge here and the stitching directly above. Also the back side with the panfu seam. The side corner seam. Take a look at the overall effect. Really good.